In this video, we are going to see how we can reconcile the balances and extract some closing reports. Let's say the closing reports could be trial balance, balance sheet, and income statement. As we have completed all of this project, let me just show you. So this is the complete project. We have entered the opening position of the trial balance, and then we entered the customers and their balances, vendor their balances, inventory from the old software. So we have shifted all of these balances. After that, we have done all the day-to-day transactions, and now we have completed all the transactions up till the end. Let's extract some important reports after that. So to extract any kind of report, just go to the report section and click on the general ledger report or any section, because in here you get the section choice here as well. So let's extract the trial balance. Go to the journal ledger, and from here, journal ledger trial balance, just double click here and you can set the period. By default, it is set to 31st of January, and that is for the current period. Means the period in which you are entering the transactions, it will be set at the end of that date. But if you want to, let's say, extract it for a whole year, just go to the options at the top, and from here you can select the specific dates. I'll select the specific date or specific period here. As of, if you want it till the end of the year, let's say 31st of December, I'll set it to that, and after that you can extract the trial balance. So click OK, and now it is set to 31st of December. If you want to export it in the Excel format or PDF format, we have the choices here. So let's extract it to the Excel format. Click OK, and it will create this trial balance for you that I will attach for you with the description or resources section of this video. So after this one is done, next important report is income statement or profit and loss. So go to the financial statements, and here we find all the balance sheet and income statement, even the cash flow reports here. So let's extract one of them. This is the income statement. Just double click here. You can set the same period in the way I have shown here. So let's set it to current period. You can make all of these settings show zero amounts, whatever. You can read through it. Now, show zero amounts means that even if the amounts are zero in that ledger, still show it. So click OK. I'll keep it as it is, but as you can see here, there are lots of zeros even though we don't have any figures in that particular account. So that's not correct. You can change the options, and you can just simply go to the options. You don't need to close it. You can select this from the top and click on uncheck and click OK. And now it's much manageable. So this is the profit and loss account. I'll just attach for you about this report as well, but this time let's extract it on a PDF. So the closing profit and loss account looks something like this. This is the report. Let's close out of here. And the next one we have is the balance sheet. So click on the financial statements again, go to this section, select balance sheet, and you can extract it in the same way. I'll just set the period, click OK, and let's extract it on an Excel file. Click OK. Now, if we want to check through a particular balance, how this balance was made, if we want to check the details of it, let's say cash in hand, we can simply double click on it to drill down further, and we will see the ledger details from the beginning balance till all of these debit and credit transactions until the closing balance. So this makes it very convenient. If you're confused about some figure, you can just simply click on it and you will see all the balances detailed. But if I want to extract the ledger report of all the ledgers and not just the one that we double click and select and extract, like this one, we want all the ledgers detailed. So close out of here, just go to the journal ledger and click on either transaction detail report or journal ledger. So let's select journal ledger, and here we see all the ledgers along with the details of the transactions from the beginning balances till closing balances. So I'll attach this one for your reference as well. So let's say that you have any confusion or a problem with the particular balance, you can just check through it. And I'll also set the period to 31st of December. Why? Although all of our transactions is within January, but let's say sometimes we make a mistake with the date. So due to that simple mistake, the transaction won't show up in 1st of January to 31st of January report, right? So that's why I have extracted up till 31st of December. Let me just export it to Excel, click OK.